Well, welcome back. This video I'm going to show you how I make Adam's chicken salad. Sometimes I change the ingredients around. This time I'm going to use this bag of iceberg lettuce. See there, it has grated carrots and a little bit of red cabbage. So I throw that into this lunchbox here, like so. If I have that in there, fill it up to a certain amount like that. And what I like to do is throw in some of these little bread croutons. Sprinkle them in. And what I do is I take some grated cheese, 4 cheese grated cheese. Take that, sprinkle it all over the top. And what I do is I take some of this cooked chicken and seasoned with a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic. A little bit of chili powder on there. I take that, throw that in. And what I do is I take my Caesar salad dressing here. Put some of that over it. Yeah, like a good bit of that. Then what I do is throw more of the iceberg lettuce, the carrots, and that on top. Probably a little bit more than what I need there. And in goes the rest of the chicken. That's done. Put that to one side. And one last sprinkling of the cheese that goes on top. Then again with the Caesar salad dressing. You can just eat it like that because it's kind of layered all the way through it. That's what I'm going for. What I like to do is put the lid on this lunchbox and just shake it up a little bit. And voila, Adam's chicken salad. There you go, I got a good look at it there. If you don't eat it all this way, you can keep it in the fridge. So that's it. Thanks for watching.